In almost all religions, death is one of the most important moments for the spirit of men and marks the end of a journey. In the Nordic culture, this was no different. At that moment, the brave warriors waited for the meeting with the Valkyries, where they would get to know the destiny of their spiritual life. This video was offered by Land of Empires. If you are looking for an online MMO strategy game, you have to try Land of Empires. With historical and mythical heroes by your side, you can venture through a vast world of medieval fantasy, fighting legendary enemies in a game with high-quality arts that makes everything more immersive. Restore your kingdom to former glory by fighting the forces of darkness in battles, rescue missions, and a variety of gameplay options. Recruit mythic heroes and develop them to fit your playstyle. Manage your soldiers and resources and become the most powerful lord in your region. But remember, you won't be alone in this world. Socialize with other players, forming powerful alliances that will lead you to glory. The game also brings the Titanios, which are powerful ancient creatures that you can evolve special skills so that they can help your troops on the battlefield and terrorize your enemies. Download the game right now and challenge other players around the world in real-time PvE combat. Redeem $10 in in-game rewards by signing in with your account and entering our unique code on the Land of Empires website. Gather your troops right now and we'll meet you on the battlefield. The Valkyries are divinities of Norse mythology associated to death. Their name means those who choose the dead. They had a very important role, serving the god Odin and the goddess Freya. They rode into battlefields on their flying steeds. From this privileged vantage point, they chose the noblest warriors who died in battle. The men chosen by the Valkyries were brave before the enemy. Their deeds on the battlefield and their selflessness in fighting to the death for a cause, just or otherwise, were valued. Berserker warriors were religious fanatics in the cult of Odin. After stirring up their uncontrollable rage, they sought to achieve glory on the battlefield. They lashed out at their enemies recklessly, as if in pursuit of death. These warriors were always chosen by the Valkyries, given their devotion to Odin. The Valkyries guided half of the souls of these brave warriors to Valhalla. This was Odin's great hall in Asgard. The other half stayed in the goddess Freya's hall. The Valkyries, by obeying the will of Odin, played a decisive role in battles. They decided the victors and the defeated. They were also known for helping kings and heroes in situations of danger. They could provide escape from an early death by diverting the targets from their true destiny. The Valkyries were depicted as warrior women with swords, spears, shields, and armor. They rode horses that flew over the battlefields. But in Asgard, they became beautiful and seductive young women who feasted with the accepted men at the Valhalla banquets. The goddess Freya was considered the chief of the Valkyries. In some cases, she is referred to as Valkyrie as well, personally choosing the squires for her hall. The most famous of all Valkyries was Brynhild, who did not obey Odin's orders. She was punished by the gods and turned into a mortal being. She is one of the main characters in the Volsunga saga, which inspired the German composer Richard Wagner's opera The Ring of the Nibelung. The iconic song The March of the Valkyries was the soundtrack for this video.